for any other key stakeholders are almost like these people that like brokers and things like that, basically. Adentia. Young fan say ende ebra so say me call pensioner. Ye say fund na ya say tintino ye tua me sika ni na de ye den e de mame. Now, yes say insurance ena edu now esan say yam pese be den e be da wa chint and I say bia e de problem bebre unti no wo sa onipa kon no sa insurance no sa stabilization fund na ya ye no enhwe ne ye nhwe wo entima me ne papa wutie me wo fie me sremo so obi ka kire wo say ende okọ pension na onya ne pension a eye tro enye sa ne tie me sremo eni die mu ara because ye me say ye mpanifo ni bi no ye hu dia ye chese mentiase, and that is why I started with that MPP communication. Say what is going on, because you guys are playing just like Boabian Samoa did, only that you people have the name Abua Papo, Usubempa, but Usubempa, we need more action. Say, with all due respect, you need more action. We need to see more stuff, counters. Because this party called NDC, the only thing you can win with them is when you keep giving them facts and exposing their lies. Because there was no way anywhere can say, because of structure na ye yenti, send the sister Cynthia, eduru so say wo pensioner, ye nya usika amount. It never said that. But to call NDC for platforms so, and no normal propagating. Now why I say ne nanka me ma ye adwuma bre na me come pension yes ye nyesika ma me. Where was that said in the which clause, which of the lines in the just say ehihye ba ye the line ben the can asem no can afford, don't let us do this so na ye benu ye ho now he mama me kan say min kire mo mo be kaya answer na ye be start sa negotiations we no wo mo de beto abonten say uoska koyi na muntia reho sembia ewom de bia meka say NDC nye party esesanke ma no kwan kra ma no ko rally adentia hwe onim se Ghana cedi no na atete aba form utie onim se na Ghana cedi no atete aba form ti any weight enti anka wo koyi se ska no kra na anka de beba abese no kwa because ska no any weight but said the ebeya ebe cause panic to the economy. Na shocks abeto government, na government who are no. Na wo Ghana ni wo ho more. Adentia or person about 2024. You see how they think? We shouldn't do this to ourselves. Ghana, for all jokes aside, all insults aside, all things aside, we should not. But say, with all due respect, we are not doing ourselves no good in our communication. Our communication is still lacking because, listen, we made a mistake with e-levy. You understand? We made a big mistake with e-levy. Instead of communicating exactly what e-levy was about, we allowed the opposition party play politics with it. We kept silence until the point where we saw say, hey, I didn't NGO before we started even traveling. When we started even talking to Ghanaians, we go jinawa na ya kan brofo. Shout out to Fatih Abubakar. Oya dear. Sremini ba wo jinawa wo richi edi chirem. Na me papa pon kroma me ame boss. Ma boni si uti jina na brofo sam. Oso nu sabe achimni ayirebini wo Eastern region afi wutichi. Ene yetena ho. And NDC for the where the ebegu say ebegu mobile business obi anko yin sika mo obi akura and send bio say me send this come the befaka ye mo mu ye de confuse nkrofo. We sat down and waited until the thing was already getting out of hands before we started going what down to people, telling them the things that is actually involved in this. For all you know, Sankan Crawford bebreti as said there be 11 year GB. Na ya dibia mama mo amu won krasin no loan na mo so mo bojo kakra mo ye no matumi de aye as you start echere na I believe Sankan Crawford and fight it. MPP communication sanka yetumi ton ye niama 11 no yetumi ton ni ye e na ya ntwanya echire ya ansa anka be ha anka we would have been better off aden America sir. Finance ministry started engaging people about this e-levy and yende, and that is one thing that kills me about the citizenry of Ghana. Yeah, you're very hypocritical, and when they hate you or when they don't like you, no matter what you do, the Ghana man, the Ghana woman will not like you. So many people were engaged, stakeholders. Why? Insu yadi levy ba, and a man can't train, and a man can't train. Making na yama NDC fire more than 5 press conferences against Insu yasi and contact you with all the engagements that went on. But because the party in power, me am a party, Utie, me and Kasame party, NPP, and to me and Tom sa e-levy no correct inti. We all saw the result of e-levy. It became a political capital for these useless NDC folks who thinks as a Ghana crash here just automatic they are coming to power. Say you want to come to power, but all the umpire say and Niaman get worse and worse and worse and worse because Niaman get worse and worse and worse and abeba power. Now Sebi Debia make us omoye buka for party no mon running kwechiri no. Ni bi dey say okay, no problem. You say Niaman say ye niska ye ni hwe. What pamu abayo no problem. NDC waba. Skabe na ade be adwuma. Police be na ade be adwuma. Military be na ade koye adwuma. Parliament be na ade koye adwuma. High Court be na ade koye adwuma. You see, the time has come awon se mekasa mama yentie di America no more. Cause I don't come here to deceive anybody or I'm not here to play to anybody's play. If my party does it and it is good, sure, I will be here singing. But if they do it and it is wrong, it is a duty on my person to make sure, say, I'm clearing the dust and I'm clearing the bushes in my house so that or what beyond to me and make it. So when I talk like this about MPP, because what has NDC showed? Nothing. We sat down, played with e-levy, Kopim said no so no, a bed jeans semu answer. And the same thing we are doing with the debt restructuring. First, no, debt restructuring I ever started. It was already told. It was already told. Say, wo principle, and now we see car with the koto 100 year. She enkano. Nembom. Interest na sanki yetua for 2023 no eno ene be ha yen enti yen tumi mamo adentia because they say baby ayedu no ni interest egu yeso no mene yen obi te Ghana o men say be ye yo o men end your betu no patriotic. I love Ghana Black Star omo bobo a obe support but the odwene ni nane ono na fu na ebe men no. So many countries, I can point Jamaica, I can point this European country. Oh man, is it Montenegro? No, one of them. There was another country that I wanted to mention in how do you call it, in Africa that tried to do similar things. That's a restructuring, you know. Then you are told to say, okay, a son say yenya bi enfam 2023 intino 2024. And I said the next year. Utie. This is what the finance minister, ye kind sa paper no waha, ye kind bibia waha say. Samobe kaya, we read everything here. Or say, o principle nankasa wode to one ye usika ne de. Yam fa hwenka. Nembom interest na woso no. And I say interest ye beguso no. Ena this year yenye den yenya emfa mawo na no kura no next year no ye compensate you eno nkoda nchen ena